Okay, I am back, and my cover is now dry, and it kind of feels like leather. That's how it feels. So now we're gonna start with the back, and I had to go get some more Mod Podge. Ugh, can't even open this. Maybe I should have done that. Open my Mod Podge. Okay, I had to pry open my Mod Podge. And, yeah. So now I'm gonna take, and just, gonna open this all the way. Baby wipes here, they don't need to be right here. Open this just all the way so I can just put a little Mod Podge in there. I don't know if you really need to, but I am going to. And open this just so I can take my brush and just go, oh, make sure you empty your bag because I forgot that in there. And just add a little Mod Podge that it will close up and stay closed. And just kind of push it closed there. And anything that's lifting up, just kind of glue it down like that, and then glue this down like that, and then do the same for this end. Just open it up and put a little bit in there like so, and then glue this end shut. Like that. Okay, I'm just going to move my little scraps here. And just remember, keep any scraps that you have. Just keep them, and we will be using them. Somewhere in this project we'll be using them. So just cover it with Mod Podge again, and we'll put that white backing on this one. And we'll make a nice strong cover for our journal. And I love the way this feels. I'm wondering if I should, yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. Bend these over the edges. Just make sure you do it straight. Just bend them over. If you have too much of an overhang, then maybe cut some off. But if it's just like this, it's okay. Just a little bit. And just Mod Podge that down. And then just go around doing it all around your cover page here. It'll make nice strong corners. Yep, just go all the way around. I am not in frame. There we go. Yep, just push this down, making nice sharp corners. Yeah, use your fingers if you need to get in there. And push it down. Just don't bend your envelope. Make sure that stays in the shape that it should be. And last corner here, maybe tuck it in that way, and this side too, and then just fold it over. Whoop. So that you get a nice corner. Like so. There we go. See, I'm learning with you. Each time I do a journal, there's something different, you know. There's a new thing that I have to learn. So there is our journal cover. Now I'm gonna one more coat of Mod Podge here. I don't think I did this side very well, and I will get the back off of our napkin and just put that on like so. There we go, and then give that a nice coat. Of Mod Podge. And then our cover is done for now. I just love the way covers feel like this. They feel like leather. You bound them with leather. Okay, come on, stick nice. And I'm wondering if I come back here like this and just do that. Yeah, I think that's what I'm going to do. Just at this point, you can cut off the excess or just bring it back onto your cover, because that'll just make it that much stronger. Yeah, and go all around doing that. You can still see the yellow, but that's okay. We're going to add pockets to that and stuff. And that way, you know, your napkin gets used up and you get a nice sturdy cover. I think I've only done one other cover like this. It was for, what was it? It was for a sunflower journal I did recently. Yeah, so if you are interested in and haven't gotten your journal yet, just go to my Etsy page, which will be linked on the bottom of my, in the description box. And yeah, you can craft along with me or get your own supplies out and just craft along with me. And let me know what you think of this, if this is something you guys are interested in. If you like it when there's a kit out for you that has all your supplies, like all the papers and stuff. Or, yeah. Let me know if you like that. Ooh, yeah, don't go back too often, because then your napkin starts shifting on you. Okay, so there we have our napkin. I mean, our cover page. And I'm going to put that in my water cup there and clean this off a bit so that it doesn't dry on. And there we go. We will let this dry good, and we will sew in our pages, I think. I think that's where we are right now. So we'll see you in the next one. Bye.